All right, so continuing with the clone stamp, what you want to do is you want to look at your brush size. You want to make sure that it's large enough to pick up almost all of your item. And for your opacity in your second layer, I'm going to go around 75. So my source is going to be here. That wasn't very large. You saw the circle. I want to make sure that my brush size is quite large. So I'm going to come back over here. Source. All right, let's see how large that replicates. Oh, that's actually very large. I'm going to undo that one and I'm going to reduce my brush because it was too big. Source, pick up my rose. Source, pick up my rose and paint. All right, sorry, you hear my kiddos in the background. So I did 5 fairly large roses at 75. I'm going to go ahead and use this clone and I'm going to reduce the opacity even more down to 50. And my brush size, I'm going to take down let's try 200 and see what that looks like. So you're just really going to continue to practice and kind of play with this and see what that looks like. You can mess with the layers, continue to decrease opacity, and just see if you can kind of create a kaleidoscope effect. So this does feel kind of busy. If I wasn't doing this quickly in a video, I'd probably space it out or size them better. But now you know how to use the clone stamp, also how to change the size of the replication and decrease the opacity. So here's your last step that you would do with a kaleidoscope. You definitely want to pick up some other colors or images, and you can always add another layer to kind of make it look cooler. So like I said before, I downloaded a kaleidoscope or bubbles or some cool image that I think might look good. And I'm going to go to layer and add image as layer. And when I do that, I'm going to find my one. Now, it definitely took me a few times. I tried the other ones and I didn't love them. So please, if you don't love it the first time, download a different replicating image that you can add to it. So what you do, once you get that layer in there, you want to reduce the transparency so that you can see your kaleidoscope. The main thing I'm looking for is I do not want to see your kaleidoscope layer taking over your item layer. So I really want to see your rose or your item much more than this layer here. So make sure when you're reducing the opacity that it's not overtaking the rose. Now here I can see the replication of the kaleidoscope layer. I can see the rose layer. It looks like it's all flowing to me. So this is what I expect out of the kaleidoscope effect. And I hope you guys get to pick something that you're interested in and that this is fun for you. So have a great week, and I will look forward to seeing your assignments on the Padlet on Wednesday. All right, talk to you later, guys. Bye.